Easy Texting's HubSpot integration creates unlimited potential for SMS messaging, all at the power of your fingertips. Integrating your Easy Texting account with HubSpot allows you to easily create automated text workflows, improve productivity, and save time by making customer communications more convenient and efficient. Reach customers faster by building and nurturing customer relationships through the power of text marketing. Whether you're sending a group text message or directly messaging your customers one-on-one, the Easy Texting and HubSpot integration will allow you to manage conversations to build and expand opportunities. With HubSpot timeline events, you can easily generate new leads by creating a one-time welcome message or start a new ongoing campaign. Quickly create confirmation and reminder texts for appointments so none of your contacts are ever left in the dark. Make sales meetings and webinars more engaging by creating workflows for invitation and reminder texts. View inbound and outbound conversation history with a new timeline contact record. And with our upgraded integration, you can now send and receive one-on-one text messages directly from within HubSpot, allowing you to quit playing phone tag and reach customers on the medium they prefer without having to flip between platforms. Easy Texting and HubSpot are a perfect and powerful combination. Get started in just a few clicks, and you'll be creating powerful custom workflows without the need for a developer in no time. Text TRY to 858585 to see how it works.